If you're experiencing pending transfers on Etsy, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Etsy account and navigate to the Shop Manager. Click on Finances and then Payment Account to check the status of your pending transfers. This will give you an overview of any issues. Step 2. Review your payment information. Ensure that your payment information is up to date. Go to Settings and then Payment Settings to verify that your bank account details are correct and that there are no issues with your payment method. Step 3. Confirm your account verification. Etsy may require additional verification for your account. Check your email for any messages from Etsy regarding verification and follow the instructions provided to complete the process. Step 4. Check for policy violations. Review Etsy's policies to ensure that you are not in violation of any rules that could affect your transfers. If you find any issues, address them promptly to avoid further delays. Step 5. Contact Etsy support. If the issue persists after completing the previous steps, reach out to Etsy support for assistance. Provide them with details about your pending transfers and any steps you have already taken to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Etsy. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to seek help from the Etsy community or support team.